Hi everybody, Mrs. Mercier here. So I'm going to show you how to do a safe search site, and with that I'm going to show you how to use keywords when searching online. So when you're on IMS for Kids, you're going to click on research, and you're pretty familiar with these research databases that we've used in the past. And the ones that we're going to use today are down here at the bottom that say safe search sites. Now, the ones that I really want you to focus on are KidRex and Kiddle, because those are like Google, but for kids. So for example, when I click on KidRex, you're going to see the search bar. And let's say, for example, that my question is, what are the effects of bullying? I'm not going to type that whole question in because that's just not conducive. So you want to just put in 2 or 3, sometimes even just one word that's going to narrow your search down. So really my question is about the effects of bullying. So I'm going to put that in. And then you're going to see, like Google, it comes up with a list of sites that you can click on. So just a couple of things you're noticing that says add, add, add. And I'm going to keep going down until I see something that's not an ad. And here's one right here. So effects of bullying. This is stopbullying.gov. This is the website down here. And it gives me a little information like bullying can negatively impact mental health and well-being. So just this little bit of information, this little summary tells me it might be something that I would like to use. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to take a quick glance and look at that. Effects of bullying, kids who are bullied. So yeah, I think I'm going to use that resource. And so when you are searching online, just remember to use safe search sites that are found on IMS for Kids, and remember to only use 1 to 3 keywords in your search, not your whole question.